Hello everyone, welcome back. This is day 2 of Learn Yoga with Miss Tanya. I hope you watched and practiced Sukhasana, which was the posture for day 1. So I got a lot of feedback, specifically from athletes who have little rigid bodies, that it was difficult for them to sit in the Sukhasana for longer durations. So the posture for day 2 is Vajrasana, which is an alternate sitting posture which can be used for your meditation and Pranayama practice. So let's get started. So Vajrasana. Vajra in Sanskrit means the Thunderbolt. This is also referred to as the diamond pose because of the shape of the foundation. Now let's see how to get into this posture. First, extend your legs straight in front of you. Bend the right knee. Bring the heel close to the right hip and sit on top of it. Use your palms for support and bend the left knee and bring the left heel under the left hip. Now you're sitting on both the heels and your palms are on your knees. This is Vajrasana. Now this is the posterior view where you can see that both the big toes are touching, the heels are falling apart and I'm sitting on top of the heels. Now this is the side view and you can see how the spine is completely erect in this position. So it's much easier to keep your spine straight in this position compared to the Sukhasana. Now after sitting for a while in this posture, you might start experiencing some kind of pinching sensation or a slight pain in your ankles. So what you can do is use a towel or a blanket and place your ankles on top of it. Now, if you start experiencing any pain or discomfort in your knees, you can use this and place it on your calves and sit on top of it. So you can use multiple layers, multiple stacks of towels or blankets and place them under your ankles or in between the thighs and the calves to make this posture much more easier and comfortable for you. Now as you keep on practicing, it becomes easier and then you can slowly remove the props one at a time. There are a lot of benefits of practicing this posture regularly. As you can see, it is stretching the thighs, calves and ankles. Also it is strengthening the lower back and also the pelvic floor area. Now when you're sitting in this posture, the blood circulation in the lower abdominal region increases, which gives a good boost to the digestive process. So you can sit in this posture after meals for at least 15 minutes. This is probably the only posture which can be practiced directly after your meals. Now please don't attempt this posture if you have any active injury in your knees or ankles, or if you have any lower back issues like slip disc. Also, it is advised for people who have any kind of intestinal issues not to practice this posture. So now you have 2 sitting postures which are the foundation for a lot of yoga poses. So now I request you to practice Sukhasana for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Practice your breathing, your pranayama or meditation, and you can sit in Vajrasana for at least 15 minutes after your meals. Now please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get to know when I upload the posture for day 3. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing and see you tomorrow.